So hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina. I run a blog and YouTube called Style with Nina. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are returning, you have amazing taste. Here we talk about luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. And if any of those things interest you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you are notified of all of my amazing videos. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it and go ahead and this item is basically sold out everywhere. If you can get your hands on it, try to. But what it is this amazing, it's so good I figured I would do its own video. And it is Chanel gift sets. So Chanel had a few gift sets, but these sold out because you could, if I can get it open, I just closed the back, because you can turn this, basically it's the cheapest Chanel bag you'll ever buy. And when I say bag, I mean handbag. I cannot get this damn thing open and I'm trying. Why does it do this? Jesus. Okay. So what is it? I know you've seen this on the TikTok and everywhere, and I'm going to add it to the bottom, to the end of this video when I plan on doing it. So what is it? It's a cute little bag. It is about, let me tell you the size exactly. It's a cute little bag. It is 7 by like 4.5. Okay, so anyway, my husband was texting me. I've been recording all day, y'all. You hear me all day. So hubby was just telling me that he ordered us some food. So it's like, we're gonna say 7 by 4.5. which is the perfect size. It fits your iPhone or whatever. But what people are doing is they are turning it into handbags. So they're adding, so it comes with the little tabs right here. And then you have to take, so what I used was a letter opener. And you open the little tabs up, and then it turns into a hand. You can put straps on it. So everybody named Mama is, so you can, boom, turn it into a crossbody. Like that, or whatever's. But I'm going to make it a little interesting, because I think that is cute. And I'll show you guys, I'll do my shots in a minute. So that is a little strap that I use. It's very, very cute. I like to get, if you're going to get a strap, get a nice strap. Don't be, they ain't that expensive. But, so that's this strap. I'll make sure to have it linked in, I'll make sure to have it linked in my Amazon store as well as in the description box. So you can do that. You can add, if you want to just confuse them, like, is it Chanel, is it Gucci? You can do that. You can add this one. Now this is hella cute. You hear me? Now that's cute. if you want to Gucci Chanel them or whatever. And again, I'm going to add my shots at the end, but I want it to be bougie because that's who I am. So what I decided that what I planned on doing with this is I'm going to show y'all in a minute, but let me show y'all this one side. So what I ended up getting was, it's a 2-pack Chanel dupe chain strap. And I'm going to put them here. And I'm going to do what? What am I going to do? Your girl going to turn it into a fanny pack or whatever, because I ain't seen nobody doing that. I look crazy. But can you see that? And the reason why I got the 2-pack, and this will make sense when I add the mod shots, because this looks a mess. So since I'm standing up, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing, even though. So I got the 2 to put. So of course you can also, you know, do the actual Chanel thing, or make it into a fanny pack. So let me go ahead and do some mod shots right now, and your girl will be back. So I am trying to hurry up and film this. You see all kind of stuff. Trying to hurry up and film this before my food comes. But that is the bag. My recording studio looks a hot mess, so whatever you see in the background, you're gonna have to just ignore. So you can, of course, wear it as a purse. As a crossbody, just very cute. Or what I plan on doing is, give me 2 seconds. Y'all see my studio? It is a mess. I think a fanny pack best suits this. So let me show you 1 second. And there you have it. I think it looks better as a fanny pack, in my opinion. I don't particularly like it. I mean, it's okay as a handbag as well, but I think it's like the perfect fanny pack size. So, yep, there you have it. I will link all of my amazing straps